What was that? Bea. Come on.
What do you want?
Go run through the snow. I dare you. Run through it without falling.
Can I try again?
No. Yeah, go ahead.
Are you like seriously recording?
No.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. I was just getting the, snow off.
Oh.
Fail. Come on.
Ah, you fell.
Do it without falling. I dare you.
God, this is really deep snow here. Ow, I think I just fell my eye.
Oh.
No, seriously, ow.
Go.
I hope I don't fall.
What the fuck, Bea? Bea! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, this is legit. She's like freaking freaking out, man. Bea! Bea! I'm gonna go see if she's okay. Bea! 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 Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, you guys! I'm gonna freaking die. Okay. Looks like she's getting on her stuff. Oh shit, here she comes.